between India and China have resurfaced after Beijing assigned what New Delhi described as fictitious names to locations in Arunachal Pradesh. India on Sunday rejected China's move, stating that attempts to assign new names to Indian territory and create what it called baseless narratives cannot change reality but may affect ongoing efforts to normalize bilateral ties. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said New Delhi categorically rejects what he described as mischievous attempts by China to rename places that form part of Indian territory. He added that such actions undermine efforts to stabilize relations between the two countries. Jaiswal also stressed that Arunachal Pradesh was, is and will always remain an integral and inseparable part of India. He further urged China to refrain from actions that inject negativity into bilateral relations and undermine efforts to build better understanding. Relations between the two countries have remained strained since the 2020 Eastern Ladakh border standoff, although both sides have spent the past 18 months attempting to rebuild ties. China recently issued a new list of renaming several locations within Indian territory. Earlier, Beijing released standardized names for 6 places in 2017, 15 in 2021 and 11 in 2023 in what it calls Zhangnan, its name for Arunachal Pradesh. China claims Arunachal Pradesh as part of southern Tibet, a claim India has consistently rejecting.